Welcome. In a circular economy, we use 3R: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Here are the 10 case studies I have witnessed. City food waste. Result: biogas and compost. The waste is market and kitchen leftovers. Source: separate organics. Run small biomethanation plants. Digestate, composted. What is the value we are getting out of it? Biogas for cooking fleet, canteens, compost sold to urban farms. So, if you copy this in 2 to 3 large markets, give vendor free bins, it is a huge opportunity. City food waste turning into biogas and compost. Textile offcuts, new yarn and filling, another waste recycling. Cutting scrap from garment factories, sort by fiber, mechanically recycle cotton, blend with virgin, use short fibers for padding. The value we get is cheaper blended yarn, revenues from pillows, insulation fillings. So, material stays in fashion supply chain longer. Copy this. Put color sorted bags at cutting edge tables. Contract a recycler. Standardize the blend. Huge opportunity. Next one is cooking oil turning into biodiesel. Waste comes from restaurants. You collect via sealed drums and you can produce biodiesel. And again, glycerin byproducts sold to soap market. Fuel is, you can use it as for municipal buses, biodiesel, because you the waste into biofuel. Now, energy from waste oil displaced to fossil diesel. Again, you can replicate this model and pay by volume to ensure compliance. Brewery again, high protein flour and biogas. Wet barley mash is a waste. What you do? Dry and mill part into flour for bread, pasta. Digest the rest for biogas. So, it is an important opportunity. Farm soil improver, you can use the value. On-site energy you can create. Food, energy, soil loop. This is an opportunity. You can replicate this model. Start with a bakery partner. It's an important opportunity. Electronic waste, refurbished devices and metal recovery. So you can refurbish tier 1 devices, harvest parts from tier 2, smell boards, affordable refurbishing, component sales, metal credits, extend product life before final material recovery. Copy this again, replicate this model and take it to markets. Agri-residue. The waste is a paddy straw that's often burned. Baler collection is an important opportunity. The value is the transportation you can use as a fuel, clean cooking oil, pellet sales to small boilers. You are also putting it into a loop of carbon and nutrients. Recycle, air pollution is avoided. Good model to replicate. Construction and demolition rubble, recycle aggregates. Concrete bricks are the waste. Mobile crushers, remove the rebar, certify graded aggregates, very important. The value you are getting out of it? Road base, pavers, non-structural concrete, steel scrap revenue. So material re-enter construction rather than landfills. The major problem is landfills. India has come out with Swachh Bharat. If you convert the waste into productive purpose, you have a business model and also a clean society. Wastewater, again, into fertilizer. Phosphorus-rich sludge from treatment plants or dye houses. So the value is slow release fertilizer, fewer pipe blockages, nutrition go back to the fields, not rivers. Discarded fishing nets, nylon yarn for apparels, ghost nets collected from coast, ports, clean it, and again you have premium ocean recovered yarn. Tourism or coastal jobs, you can use it. Plastic back to high value textiles. Multi-layer plastic, again mixed plastic, board and bricks, hard to recycle wrappers and sachets. Shred it, mix it with plastics. Waste you are using it for low-cost building materials or feedback oil. Capture value from orphan plastics. So you have plenty of opportunities for us to recycle and make it much more productive. Reduce, reuse, and recycle is the slogan now in a circular economy. We have enough business model coming out of our own waste to make it much more productive and constructive. Thank you for listening.